Right, for a look at the weather conditions here in Korea and around the world, let's go over to our Kwon Soa standing by at the Weather Center. Soa, hello.
Hi, Tia, and good evening to all our viewers. If you're not ready to embrace the cold winter conditions, you'll be happy to hear this. Tomorrow is going to be pretty mild compared to today. However, what might make it a little uncomfortable is some precipitation here and there. Now, skies look very clear right now. However, rain clouds will move in soon, which could sprinkle some light rain or snow in the central regions tonight as well. Now, the total amount of rain should be less than 5 millimeters tomorrow, but in parts of Gangwon Province's mountains, we expect 1 to 3 centimeters of snow to pile up. And we may have some yellow dust after the rain lets up around the west coast regions, so please keep track of future forecasts. And now shifting over to Wednesday's temperatures. Now, most regions start off with positive readings. Daegu at 1, the capital Seoul, Gwangju, and Busan even at 4. The capital doesn't make it to the double digits, but the southern regions do. And let's move over to other places. Daejeon warms up quite a lot compared to today. Jeju and Dokdo's highs rise to 16 and 11 respectively, and even Kumgang expects a jump. And now let's take a look at the international weather. Winter has nearly arrived in Beijing, where the mercury drops more and more during the night. Wednesday's high hit 6, but at night plunges to -5. Your view won't change at all, meaning clear skies will prevail, just like in warm places as New Delhi and Manila. Tokyo and Islamabad should be on the cloudy side, and thunderstorms continue further south, like in Bangkok. But not so much in Port Moresby. Now, it could get a little unsettling down in Perth due to showers, winds, and even thunderstorms. A few morning showers are also in store for Sydney. Melbourne should turn out nicely, meaning warm with a couple of clouds. Now, more snow in the picture over in North America, including in Montreal, which will get freezing cold at night, dropping to nearly -10. So to avoid it, try to head home early. Sunny but chilly for Chicago and New York, a little warmer for those in Washington, D.C. Some rain clouds should move into Los Angeles in the latter half of the day. And further south, Bogota won't make it to the 20s on Wednesday, and no places reach the 30s on our map. Stormy conditions linger in Rio de Janeiro and Sao Paulo. Santiago will get pretty breezy. As for Europe, I hope the weather in Moscow won't get you down, because it looks to be very overcast and a cold one. London, Berlin, and Paris are going to feel similar at the peak of the day when it comes to temperatures, but Berlin will also get a little rainy. But not as much as in Rome, where localized flooding is possible, so please take care. And finally, in Africa, not too many changes, but we're expecting quite a drop in the mercury in Algiers, along with windy conditions. Now, I'll be back with more weather updates after 10, so see you then.
Thank you, Soa. And that's all the news we are following at this hour. I'm Yoo Ji-hye in Seoul. I'll be back with more news updates at our primetime news at 10 p.m. Korea time. See you then.